Well, I was at a house working today, and this lady wanted me to change a regular plug into one of these that's got the USB in the plug itself. And they're really simple to put in. Now, if you've got the metal boxes, like if you got an older house and you have the metal boxes, these things will just, well, I mean, if it's crammed full of wires, it's not going to fit at all. But if it's just got a couple of wires in there for, say, just the last plug in a row of plugs, it'd be okay. But boy howdy, I mean, it's a tough fit. Usually you have to take the metal box out, put in a plastic box, which is bigger, or a bigger metal box where you can get this in there, because not only that, this thing is so deep that even some of the old metal boxes won't even let all the wires fit in there. So in other words, this thing's going to be stuck out of the wall. But then I thought, well, what the heck, let's go check to see if there's something that plugs in. Well, look what I found. Okay, just plugs into your plug. I mean, here you're talking anywhere from $75 to $200 to put this in. Less than 10 bucks for this thing. I mean, and heck, if you wanted to buy 2 or 3, move it in the kitchen or wherever, you know, everything's going to USB now. So this would be the way to go. And not only do you get the USB, but you still have the plugs available. It is protected if you have the normal ground wire, but it says surge protection. I mean, that alone is well worth it. I mean, normally all these are 15 amp. I doubt very seriously if it's 20 amp. We're just going to call it a 15 amp plug-in wall plate. Anyway, this is the way to go. Just thought you'd like to know.